What was Worldawg's word? Me say, when God ready for humble you, you have to crawl like the serpent by your belly. And at that catch Worldawg now. When Yanquie did I tell Worldawg say, Shebada what did he say? My woman rich, go suck on the woman.
See, Yanquie cook so raw spot from what I said, Jesus Christ, Yanquie made anybody cook say, man?
He lie. Every day me cook.
Triple, I did everything. Triple, I did everything.
Remember when Yanquie do our food, that's why I said digital footprint is important. And I look at him, Yanquie used to do a food video. Oh, remember when Yanquie used to do a food video? I said, guys, this is what I made today. Our motto about our image. Allow me to tell. Who remember when Yanquie do our food video then? Oh, Worldawg want to make the girl seem so bad after she walk and mind him. Eh? After Yanquie walk and mind him. The girl do a whole heap of food video. Unless you never want yam none of the food then because you yam a mate yard. I saw one man stay. When they eat our mate yard, don't come in and depend. You know, I don't feel so I don't feel hungry now. I forgot bun and split for open my appetite. Eh? Him don't eat it and him don't eat it, you not tell me. Let me tell you something, because no for no man I do not thinking mouth. Let me tell you something. Hold on there. AC, hold on there, turn down like. Let me tell you woman something, because no for no girl sit down on the app and you don't want to call out the things they want to see. You don't want to call out on the past, you don't see it in the future. Yes, when a man leave you, I tell you something, so when a man leave you, you as a woman who really love the man, and this go for every girl, I don't care what you want to say. You see, if you're not trying to impress him with the house, you're trying to impress yourself. You're going to do it for yourself. We all set up a change. Just that you can recognize that this is a message to you. I need some attention. I need some attention from you. Let me tell you the truth. We all do it as female. You cook the best food. If you want to eat him, eat. If you don't want to eat him, don't eat. This is what we do. We are trying to hold on while we are trying to get back. It's a psychological thing, you know. We are trying to get back pieces of we that our spirit tell us that we lost. So we start getting back to taking care of us. So when you sit down and him say, she cook some rotted food, where's your money? Where is your money? Boy, we not provide to eat breeze. Yeah, where is your money? Me not hear you say, Yanquie, buy all the food, them put people go grocery and buy all the big meat, them put in the fridge, and Yanquie no cook none of that. We not hear that. What is grocery shopping like for your Wordawg? All me hear you have to dig up your mother and eat her. You got to. Me don't know what Yanquie can do. Eh? So you want to come back on the map, the app now, to manipulate. To manipulate. Me tell you, say Worldawg and Swissly. Swissly. Explain something to you. Because no fun of me say it. You see both late last year and early this year, the amount of disgrace where Swissly tried put out upon himself. You know? The amount of disgrace where Swissly tried put out power relationship with him claim. A relationship with him claim. A relationship with him claim to have. And nobody never fall for it. True or lie? Nobody never fall for it. Nobody never fall for it. Lying people. Nobody at all never drop feet. Alright. Fast forward. Akeem and Rosalie run the app, don't. Whether we like it, yes or no, them did run the app, talk truth. Alright, fine. Diamond and figure it out. And you have the Jaden. Talk truth, nah, man. You notice when Rosalie figure it out, Diamond, Jaden, them depend the app. And you feed them season for run the app. You notice that every underdog can get a rise. You wanna realize, you notice that every underdog can get a rise. You notice that I'll breed Braff Lounge can start the live and gain recognition. You notice that, don't? And them don't have to feel like nobody now go watch them, because if I even one somebody go watch them. Wanna notice when Worldawg and Swissley them claim to say them a manipulate the app, you notice that nobody cannot rise. Wanna notice that nobody cannot rise on the app. No, it's when Worldawg and Swissley out of the equation. How much rankers you gonna see fam? How much TikTokers you gonna see rise? Just answer the question. A lot of TikTokers. No, just to make my point clear, the reason why Worldawg is being like this, because ordinarily if Akim's story them did a sell and Rosalie's story and Jaden's story, you would hear say Worldawg and Yanquie have problem, we will keep it under hush hush. But nevertheless, because Rosalie busy now focusing on something else, and Akim a walk a try use Colombia for go across to America, you understand me? You know what is happening? You know what is happening? Worldawg a try use a situation for all on the internet. Me nah ask you know, and then them say them talented. Them have to wait until one of them friend now look, then them jump. Honestly say that? At that I go on. So all of this big excitement and bringing down of Yanquie, it's not because you're upset with Yanquie. And that is why I say Yanquie deserve more and she deserve better. And that is why I say Emmy for go home. Because you see these men, they don't care about the females feeling. Once they are getting the fame, that's what they want. And they will do anything and bring down anybody to stay relevant. Emmy, go on home. Me not tell you again. Me not tell you again, Emmy, go on home. Oh, not tell you again. They will do anything. Anything at all. The app of an open window. So it Worldawg I use and you might throw Yanquie under the bus. Because even so be the case, Yanquie is the same one who came out and said, Yanquie is the same one who came out and said, Worldawg not like black woman. You understand me? And Worldawg not like this and Worldawg not like that. It's true. Don't you dare defend any man, my baby. Don't defend no man. Because him not like black woman and a useless and is a black girl. You see, it is a black girl him get catch with. So me I tell you say the things them we do, just because he wants to come on the app, they might use all sort of something, all sort of situation. It break my heart to hear the baby talk about this. Worldawg are wicked. Worldawg are wicked. Worldawg are wicked. Worldawg said, me say Jesus have mercy. Jesus have mercy. Hold on the people.
So guys, I made stew peas with pigtail and beef, avocado, tomato, cucumber, white rice.
Yanquie no cook no big food I yard. Yanquie cook no big food I yard. Yanquie no cook no big food at home. You and Swissley want shot with shit. Yeah. Yanquie no cook no big food I yard. Yanquie, when me and you did there, you never did do this. I tell you no big old girl, you know. I say no key what you do for man in your lifetime. You see the day when them want to come out of your life, you never do nothing for them shit here yet. You never do nothing for them yet. Of course, Worldawg ungrateful long ago, and not today. And not today, Worldawg ungrateful. And not yesterday and the day before, yesterday and last week. But say sometimes you do some simple stupid things and it turn out to be a receipt. See them? Yanquie is at home and she's cooking stew peas with avocado. Give the girl the credit. And this is much we don't like about you. You know we class the girl for you because we can't bother class you. And you willingly want we class the girl now. 2 meat. Me say when I don't full it up a chicken foot and chicken neck. When you don't eat, your stomach's supposed to slippery, slimy, sorry. Yeah, it's just the truth. You are a not. You see, Worldawg are wicked and evil, you know. A narcissist, you know. Worldawg are evil, you know. And these are the men you guys are forging. No, maybe one kangaroo. True. These are the type of males you guys. That's why I say, Emmy, go home. Go home, Emmy. What Lando is seeking is money where him can't spend. No help no boy make no money for take care of your mate. Go on home. Go on to your yard, Emmy. You see how long me I tell you? Emmy no care. I just said to her go. Hold on. Emmy no know how Jamaican stay now. Everybody soon start talk how Emmy careless. Hold on. She no see her coming on. Emmy don't care. Emmy really don't. Emmy like the dirty life and the nasty livity. Emmy love it. She loves this. Emmy don't care for real. So all the day I sympathize with Emmy and I say this and I say Emmy don't care. Emmy don't care about a country that receive me. The country never receive you. None of we at Jamaica never receive you more than your man friend them. God no girl, don't get it twisted. Don't believe that you Jamaica not like you. Jamaica see as one big overseas African careless girl. Trust and believe. That's why I tell you say me not too one target, you know. Me want to leave it to the general public because it's when time the general public tired of you. Trust me. Them soon tell you go look at work. Cause you're there, you might as well. Just hold on. Cause you gonna tell me say you come Emmy and you left Africa come here without money? You must be dreaming. Any old Emmy did have her money, Lando would leave Emmy for a call him to tell him say she hungry. And that no found and I realize anytime you see a girl come from foreign, the boy them itch up on her, and anytime her money done, at them time they you see the boy on the road and a box food that send go gear down at the yard. Yeah, give moms this sim I'm out here so. But no know the runnings. Am I alone at Jamaica? Money am I alone at Jamaican? Any old Emmy did come at Jamaica with money. Understand me? If that baby girl had came here with money and she was spending, Lando would have Emmy up and down for all around the town when the breeze blow your dirty baggy show. Just like when Wordawg just meet Yanquie. What Wordawg did to everybody on the internet is turning back on everybody on the internet. All his gifters. True or false, people draw back for the screen recording now. When Worldawg, nobody know the Worldawg, now Worldawg just start cuss the comment section. Remember now, when Worldawg just found Yanquie, what was Worldawg's words? No, TM is not lie me I tell. T square, and not lie me I tell. What was Worldawg's word? Me say, when God ready for humble you, you have to crawl like the serpent by your belly. And at that catch Worldawg now. When Yanquie did I tell Worldawg say, she have what did he say? My woman rich, go suck on the mama. Within the time when Worldawg go cuss, we never hear say 9 to 5 people helping by him house. Mama things go suck on the mama. Am I tell you? What you notice with Lando, Worldawg, Swissley, all of them do a video so. Chat, you know say XYZ, ZYE, all around the town when the breeze blow, you dirty bag show. All of them. I let you say unemployed. I like me I tell all of them do a video so. When you hear Lando video, when you talk about guys, you see when it comes to picnic, me no run certain joke, you know, my daughter. Nobody never dare talk about your daughter Lando. And money you look, nobody never dare talk about your child. Well dog, are you give Yanquie but not have baby mother? So oh you want to go in one room with button and beat things that you come out and tell lie pan Yannick World Honey Pack. World Honey Pack, and you come out and tell lie pan Yannick say Yannick a walk a chat your business. And you tell the internet say you would soft. For a young boy you would can't stand up. What you do? You leave the strength in a bottom. You leave the whole of your cocky strength in a anus. Just asking for a friend. Yannick should have a sister like me or a cousin. Me nah lie. Me da run up and down in your bottom. Me da run up and down in your bottom Wordawg. Number one, me I go over Yannick for you come. Me have to chop your foreign. Me just have to chop your foreign. Front way, side way, back way. Me have to chop you. Now ask you. When is a wicked set a dirty boy on the internet. When is a wicked set a dirty boy on the internet. Una honor man, una love man like dog. Una treat man better than una treat woman. Una friend them, una go all out. Yannick, you so swiftly break Worldawg's heart. By not being with him anymore. And look where want to be away from you. Wordawg ever hang on Switzerland and him and Switzerland never grow up. Upon 8 seconds. That's supposed to tell you something. That's supposed to tell you. That's supposed to tell you something. Now ask you, tell me, I tell you. You never see it. You never see it. True love will never die, matter how we try. True love will never die. You never know. What, my friend? That's why. And that's the only reason why. Yeah. All Wordawg want come back, come do and tell a bag of lie. Then can Wordawg speak anything and anybody believe him? Yannick, oh you cook them big food. When me and you there, you never cook them big food there. Wordawg not tell the same woman rich. If you woman rich, you nanny I'm good. Your nanny I'm good. See stupid there with the check. Wordawg, you know how long that video you do? That video you do, I think little after the magazine them show up on the table. Yeah. See the lady cook stew peas.
So guys, I made
Yeah.
stew peas with pigtail and beef,
Yeah.
avocado,
And it look good.
tomato, cucumber,
It look good, it not running and it not too
white
thick.
rice.
Yeah. 2025. From 2025 and 2026 through middle. And at 6 months now, Yannick no cook nothing good give you. Wordawg go suck your mother casket. That you forgot though.